Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Chris here. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on Bitcoin here. And you guys obviously know that Bitcoin is the main driver of the market. So I want to start covering this a little bit more. I've had some questions about it and I want to follow this. So guys, Bitcoin, as you guys know, it's the big guy. It's the granddaddy. It's the one who's going to determine where this market's going as of now. So what I wanted to show you guys is this overall trend line, and you see how it's still intact. Like I've talked to you guys, trend lines are so important. And the reason why I want to tell you guys this is so many people have that fear of maybe even selling up here and buying back down here or even around $5,000 because they say, well, all of a sudden if I go to bed overnight and everything changes. Well, guys, what you have to realize, reversals don't happen overnight like that at a blink of an eye. That's not how they happen. They happen over time. So you're going to have clues as to when a reversal is coming. So guys, I'll give this for a perfect example. Let's see here. Sorry about that. So guys, a great example, looking for these candles like we've been talking about. Here's a hammer, guys, right here. So we had a bearish candle, came down into a hammer. And what happened when we hammered out that bottom? We went back up to the top. And what we see? Right here, guys. Almost like a shooting star pattern or an inverse hammer. Okay, so what that showed, though, with this wick is that that's where buyers were taking their profits, and it was followed by a bearish candle, and we went back down. And what happened here, guys? This here, the selling slowed right here. It was followed up by a green candle, which was more than 50%. It engulfed this one, so that was kind of a bullish engulfing pattern, and we went back up, guys. So that's what I wanted to show you. We have to look for these confirmations. A reversal is not going to happen in the blink of an eye where you say, all right, I sold my coins and now I'm out. That's not how it goes, guys. I always thought that's how it went, but that's not how it goes. So what a lot of these traders are looking for, until we can break out through this trend line, we're going to continue to drop down. So we may drop down a little bit more, then we'll come up. We could test this, drop back down. You see, guys, how many times we've done this. We dropped down, we tested it, we didn't break it, we came back down. Went up, not even a test there. Went back down, not even a test. Went back down. Went back up, thought we were going to test it. Went back down. Went back up, tested the trend line. Went back down. Went back up slightly. Went back down. And this one, we didn't even test it here, guys. So as you can see, we're just falling down here. And most likely, we're going to probably test this $5,000, $6,000 range, somewhere right in there. We're also going to have some support here around 67.85 right there off this close. But that's what I wanted to bring to you guys here. We need to look and determine when the reversal is going to happen. And that's why you need to know all these different Japanese charting stick patterns, like the morning star, guys, which I want to go over later. And that would show you a reversal, or a hammer that's a reversal, or even a doji after a huge selling spree. And then you have a doji followed up by a bullish candle. So it's so important to know these things, guys, and to understand them, and not to be afraid to, even this here, to sell right here. You see a big bearish candle coming in, guys. We're going to be heading back down. So it's just, the candles are so crucial. I really feel like they tell the whole story, and I want to get this out to you guys because no one taught me this stuff. Like, I had to learn it all on my own. People who are out there doing technical analysis, they already know so much of this stuff that they don't go over it in detail. And I want to go over it in detail with you guys because I don't want you putting in your money at the wrong spot, and I don't want you guys holding for so long that you see all your fiat from up here at $17,000. Now you're all the way down here. You've been holding when you could have gotten out here. You could have gotten out here and then bought back down here, guys, and think how many more you could have. That's the game I'm doing. I don't want to put any more fiat into it. I want to trade and be able to accumulate more at a lower price when I can see this happening. And guys, I know that I get some hate sometimes, but we need to be realistic about things. Would you rather be real, or would you rather be told a fairy tale and it not come true? So be real, guys, and I believe this market's going to turn around and we'll be moving back soon enough, but we got to wait for the confirmation. So God bless you all and take care.